In today's video, we'll be exploring the top 5 best welding machines available on the market. We've done the hard work for you by researching extensively and going through numerous real user reviews to create this list. If you want more details or the latest pricing on any of the welding machines mentioned, make sure to check the links in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest reviews and recommendations. Now, let's dive in. Number 5, CNC Non-HF Cut 80 Plasma Cutter. The CNC Non-HF Cut 80 Plasma Cutter is ideal for heavy-duty cutting, especially for thick metals up to 35 mm at 70 psi. With a 60% duty cycle at 80 amps, it ensures consistent performance during long cutting tasks. The machine comes with a 5M PT80 torch or optional CNC straight PTM80 torches up to 10M. Its non-HF pilot arc technology ensures a safer and interference-free operation. A solid choice for professionals needing power and precision at $568.61. Number 4, ANDELI 200A TIG Welder with Pulse. The ANDELI 200A TIG Welder is perfect for welding aluminum, stainless steel, and precision mold work. With multi-mode selection, users can easily switch between functions, and the Pulse TIG mode enables detailed control. Cold welding minimizes material distortion and burn marks. An intuitive LCD display makes adjustments quick and clear. Priced at $705.59, it's a professional-grade welder for high-quality, clean results. Number 3, XVOGEN HVT250P TIG Arc Welder. The XVOGEN HVT250P is a versatile AC, DC TIG and arc welding machine suitable for outdoor and industrial jobs. With high-frequency arc initiation, it provides reliable and stable starts. Its digital interface allows precise tuning for clean, accurate welds. Backed by a 30-day return policy and a 1-year warranty, it's a value-packed deal at just $341.40. A great pick for serious welders needing multipurpose functionality. Number 2, Ultrasonic Spot Welder 700W. This ultrasonic spot welder is a specialized machine designed for plastic welding and automotive body repairs. It features 700W power and operates at 28 kHz frequency for clean, consistent welds. A steel shell with aluminum heat dissipation ensures durability. Fully automatic frequency tracking enhances efficiency. With a 2-year main unit warranty and lifelong support, it offers serious performance at $361.32 for pros in plastic fabrication. Number 1, SUNKKO Glitter 801H Spot Welder. The SUNKKO Glitter 801H is built for battery spot welding, offering peak performance with 19.8 kW power and 3500 A current. It supports both aluminum nickel and nickel-nickel welding, providing versatility for battery pack builders. Smart features and intuitive controls make it suitable for hobbyists and professionals alike. At just $256, this welder is a compact yet powerful solution for precise battery assembly and repair work.